Okay, so this COVID-19 virus really has me bored out of my freaking mind. So I decided to make a somewhat complicated pie today. Uh, this Dutch apple pie, we'll be making the pie crust from scratch. We'll be adding a custard to the pie filling, and we'll be making a crumb topping. We'll bake it all off. We'll taste it at the end. We'll see how it goes. Due to the fact that the coronavirus has put my PCT hiking trip on hold, I've decided that I will make a few tutorials on baking. So I will be looking for your help as to what to bake, what to show you. Any suggestions would be most helpful. I have the urge to teach my niece Lulu how to do some baking. So I think I'll go over to her house and teach her how to make some focaccia bread, some Kalamata olive bread, just some basic things. So stay tuned for those up and coming videos. I would also like your input on my video editing. Is it too long? Is it too wordy? Any constructive criticism to help me refine my videos so that they're more pleasurable for you guys to be viewing would be most helpful. So what kind of projects are you doing? What are you doing to keep yourself sane in this time of isolation, lockdown, social distancing? I'd really like to know. Hit me up in the comments.
video on how to make a pie. Wontons?
Yep, that works. Dutch apple pie. It's what's for dessert. What are you doing in these times of boredom, lockdown, house arrest, isolation, whatever you want to call it? Anyways, hope you enjoy. Hope you try the recipe. Let me know how it turns out for you. Thanks.